And when you are born from above, you are set free. As you are brought into slavery, when you are born from below through the womb of a woman. For when you are born from below, you penetrate into his garment. And as you are told in a strange way in Scripture, and Abraham was put into a deep sleep, and darkness fell upon him. And the Lord said to him, your descendants shall be enslaved in a land that is not theirs for 400 years. Then they will come out with great possessions. Possessions being the world itself. Because when you come out, you are God himself. And therefore the whole is yours when you come out. But for 400 years, it has nothing to do with 400 as we measure years. In the Hebrew alphabet, every letter has a numerical as well as a symbolic value. 400 is the numerical value of the last letter of the Hebrew alphabet, the letter Tau. Its symbolic value is that of a cross. This is the only cross that God ever wore. This is where he is crucified. And this is where he remains crucified until the journey is completed. From the moment of penetration until the very end is called the pilgrimage of the Son of God. And in the very end, you're told, be ye perfect now, as your Father in heaven is perfect. And that word perfect is telos, which means to have a definite goal, a definite end, and to complete, and, well, not only to complete it, but to follow closely to the nth degree the original image. You simply must fashion within yourself that original image, which is God himself. But who is doing the fashion? It is God who is doing it, molding you into his own image, and it takes the journey, this pilgrimage of ours, through hell, for this world is hell. This is the world of death. But at the end, when we reach the end, we break the shell of our own wonderful skull. It's all done in a supernatural manner.